Hi guys, if you want to run Windows malicious software removal tool in Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all, right click on the start menu and then select run. Now here type mrt and then click on OK. Now the latest version of Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool will appear. To run this tool, first of all click on the next button here. Now here you will be able to see three different scan type. You can see quick scan, full scan, customized scan. If you want to run a quick scan for the malicious software, then you can select this option and the scan will be completed within a few minutes. And if you want to scan the entire system, then you can select the full scan here. It will take a few hours to complete the scan, but it will scan the entire computer. And in case if you want to scan a specific folder, then you can select this customize scan option. And from here you can choose the folder you want to scan. Here right now I want to run a quick scan. If you want to run a quick scan, simply select this option and then click on next. And now this software removal tool will start scanning your computer. Here you will have to wait for a few minutes, so just wait and let the scan complete. And once the scanning is completed, you will be able to see this kind of message. Here you can see in my case, no malicious software was detected. Now to see the scanning result, simply click on this link here, view detailed results of the scan. Simply click on it. And now from here, you will be able to see your scan results. You can see these are the malwares and these are the scan results. Here you can see all the scan results are not affected. Once you saw the result, simply click on OK and finally click on finish. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily run Windows malicious software removal tool in Windows 11 to find the malware or any malicious software available on your system. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.